In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to create a poll in WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, launch your WhatsApp and navigate to the chats page. Head over to the conversation where you want to send the poll. Once you open the conversation, at the bottom you're going to find the message box. And the left corner you're going to find this plus option. Click on that. Now different options will appear. Click on the option poll. Now type in your question at the top. For example, what's your favorite fruit or what's your favorite color? Then type in answer options like blue, yellow, green, or grapes, strawberry, mangoes. Then you can enable or disable for this option, allow multiple answers. Once you are done, click on send. Now anyone in the chat can vote by tapping on one of the options. You can vote too and view the results by tapping the view votes link below the poll. And that's it. That's how you create and send a poll in WhatsApp. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.